Hey everyone, this is Woodpecker from Mars by Faith No More.
No más fe, pero sí mucha música en Viña del Mar.
I know the song.
Mike Patton, para cada uno de los integrantes de este grupo.
I don't know this particular performance, but I love this song a lot. This album is amazing. If you haven't heard it or don't know it well, get the whole album, listen to it straight through 3 times in a row. You might be a changed person. It's wonderful, wonderful. Lots of people think that, not just me. Enjoy.
La presencia de Faith No More, lo queremos mucho. Hasta mañana.
All right. That was fun. I love that kind of energy. Even if I don't love the music, I love people who bring some energy to anything they do. Uh, Somehow I feel like exercising or eating spicy food or, like just living. So a couple quick thoughts. One was Mike Patton, the lead singer. I guess he was on keyboards. I don't know Faith No More super well, but I never quite realized it was him that did all the keyboarding, because I think that's one of the things that really worked with Faith No More in the late 80s and 90s, is that it was kind of a heavier sound, which didn't exist enough then, probably still. But with that heavy overlaid keyboards, you can kind of see why they did such a great cover of War Pigs by Black Sabbath. Because those keyboard skills are wonderful. That it just meshes so well. I'm really interested in sort of the time signature of that song, how that, I don't know how quite they change the speeds like they do. There's one part in particular, I don't think I could describe it, where there's just this real, like, a hesitation, but it's all of them. And I don't know, like, I mean, this is what makes, musicians so great, is they just practice to no end, you know. Anyway, that was great. But one of my favorite parts was the two people introducing. I don't know what kind of show that is and everything. But it seems like they kind of want to just be up there, talking. Maybe they were used to being center stage in that evening, and and it's like the intro for Woodpecker from Mars, is really cool. And I was bothered that they were talking at all at the beginning of it. I was like, all right, it's Faith No More, now be quiet. And but they kind of kept going. They were trying to introduce everybody and stuff, I think. My Spanish isn't great. But then the song just kicked into gear, and you could just see both that man and the woman just like scurrying off stage, like, yeah, we gotta get out of here. So that was fun. I don't know. I hope this video doesn't get copyrighted. Hopefully, being a live performance, it won't. But I know I'm trying to just mix it up and have a sort of a variety of music on this channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying. Have a wonderful day, and keep being peaceful, everybody. Thanks for all your support.